Hi everybody, this is a video on systems of inequalities. In this video we're going to talk about how to graph systems of linear inequalities. So a system of linear inequalities is when you have two linear inequalities that you're going to consider at the same time. Okay, so we're going to start by graphing and shading these linear inequalities one by one. So we're going to start just the way we did before by assuming or by considering that this is y equals negative x minus 2. So that line, y equals negative x minus 2, looks like this green line. And I've used a dotted line because we have this less than, strictly less than inequality symbol. So like before, we're going to test a point in the original inequality. We're going to use the point 0, 0, and we're going to see if it makes that inequality true. So I get 0 is less than negative 2. Now that's not true, so that means this point doesn't work. So we are going to shade the other side of that line. So, just like we've done in previous videos, that is the top one taken care of. Now I'm going to suggest that you use two different colors for this. It's going to help you tell them apart, so you might want to get some colored pencils or pens or something like that. Okay, now we're going to consider this second inequality. Y is less than or equal to 3x plus 6. So we're going to pretend that we are graphing y equals 3x plus 6. That looks like this. And we're going to test a point on that one as well. So we're still going to test 0, 0. Notice I used a solid line because this is a less than or equal to. So I'm going to plug in 0, 0. And I'm going to get 0 is less than or equal to 3 times 0 plus 6. Is 0 less than or equal to 6? It is. So that point works. Yes, that's true. So I'm going to shade this side of my inequality. So this is under the blue line. So what I have here are my two different inequalities. And I want to find points that are going to make both of these true. So it looks to me like this region, where they overlap, is probably going to make both of them true. We could see that a point down here would definitely be in the blue area, and it would also be in the red area. So I'm going to try the point 0, negative 10. We always want to try points that are definitely in the region, in the shaded overlapping area. And we want to try numbers that are easy, things like 0, 1, and 10. So I'm going to try plugging that in for both of these just to make sure it works. Based on our earlier work, I would expect that it should. So negative 10 is less than the opposite of 0 minus 2. Is negative 10 less than negative 2? Yes. And negative 10 is less than or equal to 3 times 0 plus 6. Is negative 10 less than or equal to 6? Yes, it is. So when they both work, that means that this is a solution to my system of inequalities. Now, kind of like I've done here, I'm going to shade over that to indicate that this is the region that works. And any point anywhere in that region is going to work and satisfy my inequality. So I tried 0, negative 10, but certainly any other point in here would satisfy both of those inequalities at the same time. All right, thanks for watching.